I've been asked by a lot of friends to post a tutorial on how to draw lips. Let's start. So things you're gonna need: an HB pencil, charcoal powder or graphite powder, even better, a small tipped soft brush, eatable eraser, anything with a fine tip which you can control while drawing. Let's go. First we're gonna apply graphite powder or a very thin layer of charcoal. If you don't have graphite powder, doesn't matter. You can just use the pencil. You can just lightly shape the lips and then blend it with the tissue. Like while drawing the lips, all what you care about is for the initial layer to be as smooth as possible. Unlike the skin is gonna have some pores, but for the lips, you want the lips to be as smooth as possible. But if you're gonna draw an outline, do it lightly, so you can it would just blend in. We're gonna use the pencil to define some areas, to start shading some areas. We're gonna blend using the Q-tip or even using the stump. I prefer to use the Q-tip at certain times, and sometimes I just use the stump. So you can add all the fine details. You'll just keep on doing that, and then you're gonna add all the textures, all the details, using the pencil, using the kneadable eraser. You don't even need the pencil as much as you need the eraser. You need a sharp eraser. If you don't have a kneadable eraser, you can just use the back side of the pencil. If it's blunt, just sharpen it, cut it, flip it with Caesar. Just cut it, define it. Make sure you have that sharp edge. You'll just keep on doing that. There you go. The more you work with the details, the more realistic it's going to add all the fine details. Just using the pencil again, I'm going to start shading like that. There you go. Alright. And we're done. There goes your realistic lips. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.